What's going on YouTube? This is F21 here, wanting to bring you a video today just to talk about these upper splitters that I actually got for the F22. Haven't seen very many on the market, so wanted to talk about the install today, how they actually fit, how the finish was on them, just because I had to order them out of Colombia, so they were in a little bit of a different area. Excuse any of the noise. I'm sitting outside right now in my garage, so hopefully the audio comes in pretty well right now. But what I'm going to try to do too before I actually put these on is wrap them in this leftover carbon fiber that I actually have. So they look pretty good in this, normal kind of matte finish. I'm not sure what the material is. Looks like some kind of like PSM type of plastic. But we'll go ahead and try to wrap them, see if it works, and then go ahead and put these on and see how they look. So I'm going to attempt to wrap these. I haven't wrapped anything in probably 2 years at least. These cars driving by. Yeah, I wouldn't take this video as any type of tutorial or anything like that for wrapping your parts or anything. This is literally just going to be some trial and error of me trying to do it. If I mess it up, then I'll pay someone else to end up doing it, and I'll just install it with the gloss black, so I don't think it looks too bad on the mineral gray metallic. So, because I'm not a professional or anything like that, I even have my wife's hair dryer right here, so that's what I'm going to be using to put on the vinyl. So, yeah. We'll see how this goes, and we'll go over to the install after this, so we'll see how the vinyl install goes right now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and finish up the wrap and show you the actual final result. You'll see here that it actually didn't take me too long to do it. It was about half an hour to maybe wrap both of these. Like I said before, I'm not any means any type of professional wrapper or anything like that. So very easy. One piece of advice that I would have is just make sure you probably have a heat gun is going to be a little bit better, and just make sure you have some type of razor blade or X-Acto knife just to make sure you kind of cut those edges. Wrapping these guys, so what I'm going to do is grab the correct one, finish wrapping them. I think it came out pretty well. Like I said before, by no means a professional wrapper, but a professional person that wraps. So right now I'm just cleaning this off right now with some, what's it called? Clear slate from Chemical Guys. So what this is just like a wax stripper, just getting it prepped, or the area prepped, so I can go ahead and put in this splitter right now. So just trying to prep the area. So just taking off any wax. What I'll do next is go ahead and just hit it with a clay bar real quick, just to make sure I get any micro abrasion, or not micro abrasions, but micro dust or anything that's sitting on there, just to make sure that, so when I put on the 3M adhesive over here, there's nothing that'll be in the way, so it'll pull off or something like that. Because the last thing I want is, because this thing's sitting up front, is rock to hit it, something like that, and it comes flying off or something like that. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. Clay bar right here. Just gonna kind of work it a little bit, just get it a little bit malleable, so I can hit it real quick. Just using some VO7. Usually I use I want to say quick detailer, but this stuff's pretty much the same. Just gonna hit it real quick, get rid of all this crap that's sitting around here, and then we'll go ahead and put this thing on. So for anybody that's wondering, I did get this splitter from Diamond Splitters. You guys can go ahead and find them on Facebook. I did pay for it. It's not like they did sponsor me or send this to me. I just found them online. Pretty much the only ones that I've seen that have anything like this, these types of splitters. I think they're called splitters. Somebody go ahead and correct me if I'm wrong. But with these types of splitters, I've seen them a lot for the F series, other F series like F30s, F8Xs and on up. But really nothing for the F22 series that I've seen so far. So kind of nice to get a little bit more of an aggressive look on it. So I think that's cleaned off. So we'll go ahead and just kind of polish it up real quick. All right. So we'll just go ahead and polish this guy up real quick, just to make sure we're just hitting any last minute spots with anything. And then we'll go ahead, take the 3M off, or take the double-sided tape off of the 3M tape, and we'll go ahead and stick this on. So just throw that over my shoulder, I guess, for now. We'll go ahead and put this guy on. Actually, I just realized I need to trim away a little bit of vinyl.
It's the most confusing thing ever.
Alright, so we got some of that trimmed away. So we'll go ahead, moment of truth, just do a test fit real quick, just to make sure everything lines up. Everything looks good to me. So go ahead and take off the other side of this double-sided tape. Perfect. Go ahead and line those guys up. Line this up over here, just in those corners. Go ahead and give it a nice press. And I'm just gonna hold it here for probably, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. You know, I'm no expert, but at least any of the 3M that I've used before, I haven't had any issues whatsoever with it, you know, sticking or anything. So go ahead and just make sure that's on, and we look good. So it is on. If you guys are noticing this little space right here, there is a reason for that. The reason for this little space is there's a vent right here that I believe goes to the brake ducts, but I'm not positive. I know there's an oil cooler behind here, at least for the US series, I believe, and maybe in the European series, but I know US we do get an extra oil cooler. So I know that's what's over here. I'm not sure what this vent's for, but there is a vent over here, so that is why you do see, you know, this kind of blocking off over here. So we'll go ahead and go over to the other one, but I'll get some B-roll of this guy right here, and we'll also get some pictures too. So let's move to the next one. So just wrapping it up right now, just wanted to give my final thoughts on the actual splitters. First of all, customer service was great to deal with Diamond Splitters, so would highly recommend them. Fit finish was really good, and shipping was actually not bad. Came to me within about 2 weeks, so very happy with the results. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hope to see you in the next one.